Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put a survey directly onto Buzz for a student. So to do that, you go to anywhere in a folder and you click Add, and then you come over here and you click Survey, and you want to title the survey. I'm just going to title it Survey, and then you want to go to Settings, and in this drop-down menu here, you pick your survey provider. If you are a member of any of these, it'll take you directly to it. So let's say you want to use SurveyMonkey, and you can also have the person taking the survey take it anonymously or use a username, display name, user ID, whatever. So after you've chosen your URL, click Edit Survey, and it'll bring you right to the page where you want to construct your survey. I already have one made up, so I'm just going to take the link from that one, and I'm just going to put the link for that specific survey into the base URL here. And you can also add a due date if you like, and you click Save, and when it's ready, when the student's ready, they can take the survey and you have it directly on Buzz.